Hello and welcome to this YouTube video on how to meditate for self-care. If you're new to meditation, or even if you're not, this video will give you 10 tips for beginners on how to meditate for self-care. Tip 1. Find a quiet place. The first tip is to find a quiet place where you can meditate. It can be a room in your house, or even outside in nature. It's important to find a place where you feel comfortable and can concentrate without distractions. Tip 2. Get comfortable. The second tip is to get comfortable. You can sit on a cushion or a chair, or even lie down if you prefer. The important thing is to find a position that you can maintain for the duration of your meditation. Tip 3. Set a timer. The third tip is to set a timer for your meditation. This will help you stay focused and not worry about the time. Start with a short meditation, like 5 or 10 minutes, and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable with the practice. Tip 4. Focus on your breath. The fourth tip is to focus on your breath. This is the foundation of meditation. You can focus on the sensation of your breath going in and out, or the sound of your breath. Whenever your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Tip 5. Don't judge yourself. The fifth tip is to not judge yourself. Meditation is not about getting it right or wrong, it's about being present and aware. If you find your mind wandering or if you get distracted, that's okay. Just gently bring your attention back to your breath. Tip 6. Use guided meditations. The sixth tip is to use guided meditations. There are many apps and websites that offer guided meditations for free. This can be a helpful tool for beginners who may find it difficult to focus on their breath alone. Tip 7. Practice gratitude. The seventh tip is to practice gratitude. Take a moment to think about the things in your life that you're grateful for. This can help shift your focus from negative thoughts to positive ones. Tip 8. Be consistent. The eighth tip is to be consistent. Try to meditate at the same time every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Consistency is key when it comes to establishing a meditation practice. Tip 9. Use mantras. The ninth tip is to use mantras. A mantra is a word or phrase that you repeat to yourself during meditation. It can help you stay focused and centered. Some popular mantras include Om, peace, and love. Tip 10. Practice self-compassion. The final tip is to practice self-compassion. Meditation is a practice, and like any practice, it takes time and effort. Be kind to yourself and don't give up if you find it difficult at first. Remember, the goal of meditation is to take care of yourself and find inner peace. So, there you have it, 10 tips for beginners on how to meditate for self-care. Remember, meditation is a personal practice, so feel free to experiment and find what works best for you. And above all, be kind to yourself and enjoy the journey. Thank you for watching and happy meditating.